Under the 3D drop-down menu, you have two different types of view tools. You have your orthographic view tools and your perspective view tools. In the orthographic view tools, you have the cross-section elevation. The cross-section elevation tool can also be found in your toolbar. As the name implies, the cross-section elevation has two purposes: to create an elevation of the building and to create a cross-section through the building. To create an elevation, I'll select this tool, place the camera here outside of the building, and click and drag towards the building, making sure that my camera line is perpendicular to the building. Once you've created a cross-section elevation view, you can toggle between that active view and the floor plan view. Just click on the tab to activate the view that you want to see on your monitor. While the camera view is active, you can save this active camera by clicking on the Save Active Camera tool. Once you've saved it, you can find this camera again in your project browser. Here under Project Browser, under Cross Sections, if I click on the arrow, you'll find the cross section that I just saved. You can rename it by right-clicking on it and click on Rename. When I close this elevation, you can see that the camera is still active in my floor plan. You can return to the elevation by double-clicking on the camera icon in the floor plan, or by double-clicking on the cross-section that's saved in the project browser. To create a cross-section of the building, you can use that same cross-section elevation tool. Place it inside of the building, then click and drag towards the direction that you want to see. Once you've created a camera view, you can edit the layer set that your camera view is using. Right now, my camera is using the Section View layer set. I'll go into my layer display options, go down to the F's in the list, and turn off the furniture layer. In a cross-section elevation view, you can place and edit objects. You can also use your dimensions to size them or to move them into place, because this view is scalable. You can save as many of the cross-section elevations as you want to in your project browser. You can add text and dimensions to the cross-section elevations and use them to create details. The additional orthographic views are covered in more detail in additional online training videos.